just need to.
Good morning. We are live.
Good morning, everyone.
Look at this. Look at this. Tapped right into that gap. Oh, Derek closed below.
Share screen.
Oh, you know what else we need to do?
This one.
Drop this little linky link in my Discord. Wow. Oh, we going down. 80% setup POC. I like those odds. We got the midnight price down here as well, which has not been aged yet.
We're about to take London in Asia. All right, that was kind of quick. That was a quick drop right there. Show comments on stage. How do we show comments on? What does that mean? Let me check the YouTube. So we're live. Everyone join. I think we need something to like in the way it's super automated. So whenever we go live, it's gonna put like an announcement on Discord and everywhere. That should be super great.
Yeah. Good morning, Vashita.
Morning, brother.
Right there.
Good morning, morning. Good morning, sunshine.
I need $1,500 to pass my account. I want to trade this morning volatility, but I know I shouldn't.
Oh, this is my screen. Okay, so what do we have here? I don't see any gaps on the 4 hour. It's just going straight down. 8 hour is not giving much. Another week. So this is what I was telling you, Abby. If you look at this price action right here, we're creating some sort of daily gap. So it will be nice to have this daily candle closing inside of this range, like not making much. So tomorrow, the next daily candle can open, tap into that daily gap, and continue higher. Right? That's what we'll love to see. So today I'm not expecting much other than a range. Let's see what do we have here. Could be interesting. We have London in Asia, great targets to take. London, Asia is right below it. Kind of hard to solve here, but it's the most obvious thing that we could do. So N15 is giving signs. Is selling off. It's just too early. I mean, it's the open already. Oh my god, just never mind. Just don't mind me. There's 9:30. 9:30, opening print. We open in lower. We have this gap. I would love to see the price retesting the opening print. If we retest the opening print, and then look for London lows. That's solid. That looks solid. Opening print and London lows.
Yeah, I'm going to wait for the opening range to set, but I'm definitely looking for these to get taken, that to get taken. There's still a gap, right? That's the gap.
Where? On the hourly? Oh, I can see the gap. Yeah.
From what, yesterday or something?
Yeah, I can see the gap. Yeah. It's the hourly. I just don't like the retracement, but I see what you say. Now I understand what you're saying. Yeah. There's a gap there. So kind of like tricky here. Because we're selling off, or we're probably going to take London lows straight. We're going to take London lows.
I would love to, see it.
Hopefully we can retrace before doing it. No, the weekend gap, Bushido, we're so far from the weekend gap. I don't think we're gonna get there. I don't really think we're gonna get there anymore.
Yeah, but I don't want to like leave it behind. It's just one.
Yeah, well, that's something to keep in mind. But we're really, really far from it. Or how much we are, like 400 points. All right, it's not that far actually. We can do it in 2 days, maybe in just 1 day. Just get there. But what is ES doing? ES, where you at? ES already took London lows. ES already took the London lows. We have a bunch of low resistance liquidity right here on ES. Smooth lows right here. I think ES might just straight dumps. Well, so yeah, I'm looking for shorts. Maybe it's not a bad idea at all. It's not a bad idea to look for shorts. Let me see if we can retest the opening print. That should be great if we retest the opening print before London get completely blasted. Can we? Straight dump after the open. 100 points into London. No setups. Just a straight dump.
I'll take it.
Whoa. Can you just wait? Wait a second. No, it's not gonna. It's not gonna wait even a second. Yeah, like Asia and London already provided up some points. Okay, that was London. I was super quick on the session. 8 minutes on the session, and we just blasted London lows with 100-point movement. So this is Asia, and we moved 300 points. Fair to say that when Asia and London just moved that much, here it's not gonna be that good. Where's the rest of the chat? Lol, just working whenever they feel like it. They will come nowhere. It's just very early on the session. And probably a lot of people already banked on trading Asia, just going along. But now we have London. We're about to take Asia as well. Straight dump. It looks like yesterday, but the other side of the of the rotation. Do we have anything to retrace? Oh, okay. So we have this M5. If we leave Asia, I want to see it now. Beautiful retracement. And this beautiful boy right here. Can we?
What we got below? We took Asia, we took London. We have the POC below.
That was quick. Like, all the targets that you can look for shorts were already taken. But I think there will be another short.
I'm looking for this level to get pulled at some point, but let's see what's around here.
Yeah, I like it. Okay,
we took
it's a big round number there.
There's some relative equal lows. Okay.
This will be a nice hourly close because
if we get a little go ahead and get short. Little bitty pullback would be great. If I could get filled up there. I know Erkan's probably out here making hella.
Trading it?
Yeah.
Only thing I don't see, like, I don't see anything to trade here. Like, this is straight down. Unless you're trading pre-market.
Yeah.
There are a couple opportunities that you can take here pre-market, but like the equities open, it's just a straight dump, and then a straight dump. Okay, there was maybe a short here. Super minimal. I won't even take this.
Wow.
Sure.
Wow. It's killing me.
That was, my God.
To all those traders that learn how to just, momentum trade the open.
There are a lot. I don't know how that works. I know you can make it profitable, but it's just hard for me to do it. Like, just to go with the movement at the open, it's just hard. I mean, it's just too much for my little heart to trade. I won't be able to manage it. But yeah, they're banking today. They're making tons. Look at this. 160 point straight from the open towards Asia. What is this? What are you doing, market?
All right, what is that level? 83. So there's one at
Okay, now I like this.
3.
I like this 8-hour gap right here. Okay, so we might end up going higher after 10 a.m. since we just straight dump. Like, we might just straight higher and then we chop to finish the day with a doji candle.
Mm-hmm.
I have zero good expectations from this session. No news as well, right? We don't have any news from the docket. So what are we doing? I guess we have to play chess today. The FOMO is real. No, I have no FOMO, actually. I mean, just look at that. I'm not even interested in... Do you have FOMO, Abby?
I have FOMO because all my levels that I had set are all getting hit.
Yeah.
And after that, I gotta go find new levels. Like, this is one of the most frustrating things for me is, like, just watching everything get taken.
Oh my God, what are we doing? 200 points in 14 minutes. So, like, this is the opening range.
83.
This is your opening range, Javi. 200 points. We're non-stop going lower. I feel sorry for everyone holding longs from Asia because they're getting blasted. If they thought if they didn't take profits because they thought like New York is gonna keep pumping, oh my God, they're blasted. I'm sorry for you all. That's why you should take always profits. And don't mind me, I took something from this long during Asia.
If we close below this, we're going down way more.
Whoa! No, at this point, previous day low. And then the gap. 100%.
Yeah.
What are we doing? Like, bro.
So this level is like 80% for me. When I watch this, there's a couple things that I'm watching for. Like, if it comes down and shows resistance and uses that, that's my line in the sand.
So you like that level for more shorts or just for a reversal?
No, if it closes below, then I want to get pricing up in here and I want to short down to that. But right now it looks like it's holding that level.
Yeah, we have this sort of auto block right here, and this is an 8-hour. We're tapping into an 8-hour gap. It's not bad at all, and we're gonna close in 14 minutes, so that's 10 a.m. So we can safely say that the next 8-hour candle is gonna tap into something in this week, because this is gonna be pretty much a rejection block. We're gonna tap into something here, and then we might just go again higher, but we don't know, to be honest. Like this for me too long, I'll need to see a lot of price action to build just to take a long here, because my god, I'll rather just look for shorts. I think we might just give another short, like another stripe lower. Let's say we go higher really quick, and then we have another straight lower, and then from here is where we're gonna build more price action if we're gonna continue higher. But whatever you're looking at today, we gotta be extra careful, like extra, super extra, not separate, extra. Have you ever seen that video?
No.
The guy that was asking for extra sauce and he got like separate sauce. You have to watch that video. You will understand. We did break below the hourly uptrend trend line on ES and NQ.
So
I
we
use trend lines.
The opening range low.
This is what you meant, that trend line right there. So we have this M15 forming right here. I like the way we formed this M15, because that makes me think that we're gonna tap.
You thinking long or shorts?
Shorts, definitely. I'm not gonna look for like after a straight dump like this. I'm not gonna look for longs. Not on this morning session. It's hard for me to take a long after this. I've seen this so many times. Like you're looking for a long. Bad idea. Not yet. Tomorrow maybe. But now we're gonna feel the gap, Abby.
I think we'll retrace first, but oh no.
Yeah, it will be nice.
So wide.
We're gonna see this and gap. This like this and the gap. So in 11 minutes, if we close below this 8-hour gap, I think we're gonna feel that new weekly opening gap. Probably. I'm neutral. I don't have a bias today. I'm afraid to say.
I think shorts.
Yeah. Is it like using the logic? You should look for shorts. But I don't have like a. I'm not gonna stick to a bias. I'm just gonna wait until I have some confirmations to look for something. Maybe some equal lows, relative equal lows, equal highs to take, and we'll see from there.
I am looking to take something real quick.
What are you looking to take? Please delight us.
If price can come back up to like 30,065, I could potentially get short, depending on how it respects that VWAP.
I like this level. I'm gonna finally trade today because I'm gonna use the same levels, but I'm gonna use them different, just for fun. We have this beautiful support and resistance here. All right. So I'm just gonna wait until the price tap into this resistance, guys. What do you think, Bushido? I mean, if you look at this and you say this is support and resistance, yeah, it could be support and resistance. But at the same time, if you're trading like ICT, this is a breaker block formation.
What is that bar? That looks so crazy.
Yeah. And you also have this gap on the M15 that matches. So what are we looking at? A beautiful retracement during the macros to take more shorts. I'm afraid to say.
I'm gonna definitely trade small size today. I'm so close to passing this account here. Like,
yeah, but don't rush it. Like, don't rush it.
I'm looking. Oh wait, where's my trade of 8? I want to see the balance. Wait, you can see the balance on here, right? Okay, yeah, I only need 500 more to pass. I may or may not have taken a trade during pre-market. Oops. Or not pre-market, but market open. I want to see it respect this level. There's 2 VWAPs here, so that'd be cool. But I do think that maybe if it wants to come up in here, then I'm definitely gonna get short here. Gonna watch the reaction. Only gonna do 2. I'm either taking it here or taking it here. And I would like to see at least go back down here or back down here.
Now that low that we're leaving is gonna get taken. I don't think that's a protected low. When is the real question? But instead of jumping in shorts, I will wait a little bit of price action and confirmation, because this looks like that type of session where you just get clapped.
I mean, we did have a really big sell-off, so maybe.
I like it, Picasso. Or can you see you say that's exactly what I'm looking for? What? For what? We just had so many things that I don't know at this point.
I could also see after that sell-off that it just wants to go right back up.
Yeah, but that's a lie. I don't trust it.
Technically, we could go up here and fill some of the space and then come back down, because we broke, or did we? Yeah. Let me see the 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, technically we broke the structure, so we could easily see it come back up in this area and then come back down for this. Thought you said we were going to get to 33,000 this week. It is Wednesday. Erkan in the chat. What's up? Now imagine if I took that. I'm gonna take a small short.
You're gonna take a small short? What time is it? 9:50 macro. Okay, I like the idea. I will follow you, but I will wait a little bit long. A little bit, just a little bit. So I want to see some rejection. I want to see some rejection. But okay, we have a reaction. I was looking at the chart. I like this. Oh, great. Do we have an SMT here?
Yeah.
What is this doing? Okay, I won't trust this high. So I'm telling you what I would love to see.
Mm-hmm.
You see this high? We're gonna take out that high, and we're gonna confirm to take shorts. That will be my scenario. But this could print. If you're gonna enter here, it could easily print. I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer. But okay, we have a. Is that an inversion though? Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, we got the inverse on that candle a minute ago.
You just wanna wait. I wanna wait a little bit. But this looks solid. This is solid. This is solid right here. Where are we tapping to? Yeah, I'm gonna fade this one for the sake of not jumping into the first trade. So tap in here, we confirm, and then we go lower. That's my plan. That's my plan on it. What's up, Dennis? How you doing?
Price. What's wrong with my face? Yeah, sorry, I was in concentration mode. For me, I'm just like, I want to get a better price on this, but I definitely want to get in short. But now I'm worried. I'm worried about what you're saying. Do we sit on our hands, chat, or do we not? I don't want to steer everybody in the wrong direction, so maybe we wait for a little more information.
Yeah, I mean, the short is solid. We will have a short, but I want to see this hike being taken first. This one. Yeah, look at this. So take this high, confirm, and then we go short.
I mean, not a lot.
You see,
balance up here.
Yeah, you see, I don't trust this high. And if we put an SMT with ES, it's gonna be even better. Just like just the way we're doing right now. Let me take this out. I don't need this right now. So we're putting an SMT there. I don't want to just jump in, but we're having SMT.
I have like $500 to pass this account, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna.
If you're convinced in the move, why not enter? I'm not convinced. I
think Dennis might be telling me, but.
Oh, okay.
Waiting for more of a premium price before getting short. I think that's kind of where I'm at too. Like, I could easily turn this account into a, a harder target. So I'm not going to do it.
But this is looking better now because we have an SMT with ES. So that could be enough. But maybe it's too early on the session after straight dump 200 points. It's just too early just to get in the first retracement. I would rather wait until I have like a gap here, and that gap takes into, it will be even easier. But just jumping in, no. I'm gonna fading in.
LOL. Yeah.
Oh my God, Erkan is just
fine.
giving facts on that chat. My God.
Whatever.
That's solid, brother.
No, I just I have to watch it at this point. I'm like $500 from. I have to watch it. Nah, that's what I said this morning though. I was just gonna take like one good trade, get the account done. That's it. Maybe I should just put like 5 contracts on and get a candle worth.
I've seen it's trending right now. People are trading with a negative RR, so they put like really, really low volume, like 1 micro, 2 micro, and they just let it run. And if it turns on their way with a super big wide stop, if it turns on their way, they just add more cons into it. I don't know how that works.
Yeah.
But they have like a really big win rate. That's crazy. I've seen this a lot. So people maybe here they all say like, I'm just gonna put 1 con, just not to, not to miss the move. Then if it turns in my way, I just add more cons. But I don't treat it like that. I don't.
And if it's going against you,
good question. That's a good question. Yeah, I like this gap right here. That's why I don't trust that high. Now give me a tap into this. You can play here a little bit, then manipulate again, and then give me shorts. That's my plan. No rush.
No rushing. Yeah, we're definitely building structure down here, so a little bit bigger move up should be nice. Guys, I did this on accident today with these colors because my screen was black for some reason. Oops. I like it a lot. It's kind of vibey. I accidentally turned this pink. It's adorable.
Feel the vibes.
I'm so excited to be waking up at like 9:30 next week.
That's not a good idea, Abby. You should go.
No. I'm just saying, like I'm gonna be in Miami, so
no, I know.
9:30 wake up.
Of course, it will be 100% better than just waking up at 5 or 6 a.m. because I'll be half brain.
It'll be the same though, because it's the same time. It's just a different number. So all that's gonna happen is my sleep is gonna get worse because it's gonna be daylight outside. So, but yeah.
Oh, it'll be hot. It will be really hot, so you have to enjoy the weather.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 90 degrees. I haven't been to Miami in like over 10 years. I don't think I have, at least.
Anything there? Not yet. Not yet. We finally took out that high. We're into the M15. If we close inside of this range, I'm gonna use CRT to take the short. But we'll need to close inside of this range right here. So that's gonna tell me that we're aiming for this low now. It depends on this close. We need 10 minutes. And I will give you my first shot of today. We'll also need like a gap or something. So for everyone on the chat, if you just got here, we're gonna short towards 29,940. But we're just waiting for something here to tell us to short. It's not gonna be that easy. I like to see a reaction of the 30,100 area. Why that area though? Why do you like that area? Exactly. So yeah, that's the breaker block formation there. Now I understand. That's this beautiful support and resistance.
I can't say why I'm going, but I'll tell you later. Show you off stream.
What do you mean you can't say? Did you sign something?
I signed.
Oh my god!
Yeah, it's a TV show.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
Yeah,
I cannot believe I'm doing a stream with a famous person, guys. Just round numbers. Got it. What is this?
My patience is dwindling, guys. I don't know what to do right now. It's $400. Well, technically no. Yeah, 400 for $599 minus 1,000 is $401. $401. Okay.
What you mean $401?
Oh, I'm just, I'm detaching from the P&L. I
Okay.
need $401. $401 about the account. I think I just put like 5 contracts on and just hope for it to go in the right direction.
No, that's fair. That's solid. That's solid.
Should we switch up the music?
Okay. What you mean okay?
I think he wants me to just throw 5 contracts on and hope for the best. Let me know.
This could be a great sign if we have this close and we respect this high. Because the next candle can trade higher and aim for the low.
I can edit your mic settings from here. Oh, wait.
You?
No, I can't. Never mind. I thought I could. It seems I cannot.
Other year we're gonna change my voice and put something like,
Oh.
Okay, this is look. Mute This is starting to look nice, but it's not yet. Not yet ready.
Wait, so what are you waiting on?
I'm waiting for at least a gap, but if M15 closes like this inside of this range, we're gonna take that low. So it will be safe to say that we could take a short if we create a gap here. Front tool is a short one. If we have that gap, we could take a short and aim for this. So waiting 14 minutes. I'm gonna give you the first stop right here. So already close it. Now I like it. You still need some minutes to close inside of the range, but now I like it.
What's chat saying?
Are those equal highs? No, I like what I see. I was waiting for the gap to be put on. So I was warning molded by it. What? Yo, Angel, when EA giveaway winner announced? Which giveaway? I mean, we're running so many giveaways at this point, so I don't know which one. I'm actually running a weekly giveaway on my X account. So you just need to look for the post. So each week, I'm just giving away 25k futures accounts. You just need to go there and look at it. Just watch it.
Okay, I am getting a little patient, so I think I'm going to set a limit order. And I'll give it room. I'm going to do small size, maybe 1 contract, because I don't need that much.
It's going to drop more. Yeah, it's definitely going to drop. The real question is when. it's gonna do it, or from where it's gonna do it. So instead of just jumping in, I need to watch for more structure. So this is solid here because now we have a gap. We took out the previous at 15 gap. We're going to close inside of the range, and now we're going to aim for that low, right? But I need to wait for a gap for me to retrace. So if I don't see that, it's hard for me to take it. But this is not bad at all. From right here. I mean, yeah, it could be, but based on my strategy and plan, I need to see the price happen here. I cannot just take it like that. I cannot just take a trade blindly because some people are going to look to take the same trade.
Guys, P&L check. Let's see how many people are red, green, flat. If this just goes and takes the lows, I'd be really sad.
So if it doesn't tap, it's invalid? No, because some people can actually take a trade here and say, now this is an, I don't know, an order block or whatever, and protect the high, right? And just look for the low. But that's not me because I don't trade it like that. Right? Some people can short here looking for the low. 100%. I'm pretty sure some people would just short here. Oh, we have a change in the state of delivery here. And now we have finally a gap that we can trade to. But I'll be like, I'll be mad if I take this trade right here and I get stopped because I didn't wait for the price to come to fill the gap. Right? So that's why I'm just not gonna take it and I'm gonna wait. W trade. Well, I'm not in, but yeah, if it happens, it's W. Abraham, what's up? Do you trade GC? I don't. 22 May giveaway angel on EA Markets. I need to look for it because I don't know which giveaway you're talking about. How are you feeling, Abby?
Good. I put one contract long on from the POC.
One contract long?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I'm being your liquidity here.
Right,
I will be having liquidity, guys.
Okay, so when we came back up from this level, I would like it to fill this imbalance. And I'm going to stick to my short bias. I just wanted to make a little extra money on that. So my limit is set for 2 so that when it comes back down, I'm already in. We'll see. Maybe it just goes all the way down here. That would be my stop. It would be there. I don't know how to set the stop like that. That area. So if I bought, I'd need to sell stop, right? Question mark? I don't even know.
We don't have like a daily gap. Sorry, an hourly gap. We're creating this hourly gap. So if we don't, if we take too much time to just take that low right there, we might feel the hourly. I'm not sure what's going on with me. The hourly gap. But we will see, I guess. This doesn't look like a great day to trade.
You said it does or doesn't?
It doesn't. It doesn't look like a great day to trade just because of the fact that the open just dumped 250 points. That's just crazy.
It's a shame. You know, it could have been 10 minutes after the open.
Yeah.
10 minutes after the opening range was set would have been ideal. Let's see what we got right now. I see chat's going off, but yeah, sorry. I wasn't gonna tell anybody about that. That was yeah. This POC, point of control, yesterday's highest volume of yesterday's thingamabobs, that area usually holds a support, like it already has been holding a support. So just capitalize on it. Nothing crazy. One contract, one micro.
YM always doing its own thing. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't trade YM, but I know it's always following like his own way. A few minutes to the open.
Yeah, Maymat, what's your question about the one-step accounts? I'm in a one-step account, right?
Yeah, we only have one-step accounts.
Yeah, I mean, there's the signature. What's the
we have
one?
signature
one
and
step?
the one. Okay. SMT on the highs with ES and NQ.
I'm using an E8 signature account. 100K. No, it's honestly the best for sure. Because sometimes, you know, the market is being very nice to us and you can pass it in a day. So why not take that opportunity and pass it in a day? I don't think that traders should be limited, but that's just me.
What model do you trade? I traded 2022 ICT model with some sort of confluences and more stuff. My market structure. Okay. Nice. You just got to take profit, Abby. That's great.
Yep.
Abby's killing it, guys. Let's go.
I only need $250 to pass. Personally, risk reward just depends on whatever trade I'm taking. If I think that there's levels that could get hit above, I'll do like a negative RR. Otherwise, usually 1-to-1. Angel, what about you?
Yeah, I usually do 2R most of the time. 2R, 1R, between 2 and 1. It depends.
Bushido. I've been here since the beginning of stream. How did you guys steal my rings? You got to be active in the chat. Yeah, W in the chat for me, yeah. W in the chat for my $100.
W.
Mel Bellum, what do you mean by tick range? Like
1-to-1 working on every model. I'll say it's super simple to trade 1-to-1, but it has to make sense. It's not like rocket science, but it's actually not like 100% effective. You know?
I don't know if I look as much. I don't look at the 1-to-1 ratio as much as, because I know, like, let's say this is the short that I was going to get into. This would be the level that I would be trying to, oh, it's so fidgety. This would be the level that I would be trying to make on that trade. And whether or not this is exactly 110, to me, that's not what I'm looking at. I'm looking at, this is structure, this is previous structure. So maybe I do that. Or if I think it could tap into one of these levels up here, then I'm going to give it more room. So for me, it doesn't matter that it's exactly 1-to-1. I don't care about that. If I'm doing like 110 points, it's, yeah.
Irrelevant. That's solid. Angel left with $500 of my future.
Can you guys in the chat see the P&L thing? I feel like I posted the P&L, but I can't see.
Yeah, it's right on my face. They can't see it. I'm pretty sure
well, no, they don't see it on your face. Guys, P&L, is it in the, you guys can't see it? No, why? Yes?
Yes, I can see it though.
Yes, okay.
Yes, we can see it.
Can
All
you
right, see that.
Click? Oh, wait.
It's on his face, lol. Yeah, it's here. now it's here. Okay, good.
There you go. I didn't, wait, okay. I thought it shows up in the chat.
All right, guys, so I'm going break even on my short because we finally have some push right there.
Wait, you're in a trade?
Yeah, I sent this. I sent the whole chart the whole time.
What the heck?
Right here.
That's the trade I was gonna take.
Did you guys check the chart when I put this on the stream?
No.
Did you guys check?
What?
I think everyone checked.
I don't think it was. I think it was on my screen.
Yes. Let's go, Angel. Okay.
I mean, there's also a valid break of the
yeah, we have a bearish S&T just right here. It was solid. Okay, I'm going to break even here because I have one hour here, so it's enough. I don't like the way this is moving. I don't care if we get top of the break even, and I'm just gonna aim for that low. But that was solid.
Very nice, very nice. Yeah, we're just kind of chopping between the POC.
So for the guy that was asking Zidane for the $500, it depends on how are you right now on your trade. If you think you have enough conviction with your trading, with your trades, with the way you see the charts, with the way you read the candles, and you have only $500, I mean, if you don't want to stick to that evil forever, just go for one trade $500 risk or two trades $200 risk. If you're still building that confidence and that conviction on your trading, trade one micro. If you have only $500, trade one micro. Risk like around $100 per trade, so you'll have 5 shots. Take one trade per day. You'll have 5 days to trade, and build that confidence, build that conviction. Trade one micro. I know it might be kind of like low P&L, but it doesn't even matter because you're focusing on building that habit, building that model, and having the conviction. I think the most important thing is being super solid and being super confident in the way you trade, because that's gonna take you out of whenever you are. I was struggling a lot because I was not confident on my trading. But now all of a sudden, one day, I just woke up and understood I knew I was doing. And then I was focusing on the trading itself, not on the P&L, not on the risk, just trading and making sure it was making sense. So you can do the things.
I passed my account.
Let's go! Don't see the chat for Abby because she just passed.
Yeah, let me pull this up right quick.
TP.
Yeah, I was targeting the lows, but I didn't need that much. I think it stopped me out like here somewhere.
W's, everyone. W's for Abby that she just passed. Let's fucking go.
All right, so that account. Wait, where did it go? Oh, it took it away already. Trickery. Is that how, like, let me see. Trickery.
Yeah, it's gonna disappear. If it's completed, it's just gonna disappear from
the chat. It's never disappeared that quickly, though.
It's just catching up, lady. Catching up. Oh my god, can we just take that low? Okay, guys, so just to show you something. For everyone watching the chart, if you look at that low, I will trim the position there if you were trading micros.
Okay, whatever, it's gone. Okay.
Okay, yeah, here. If you look at this low and the way this is moving, I will be trimming the position here with micros. But with minis, I have just one mini, so I'm just gonna take the 2R and take it to this low. Hopefully, we can take that low. That was quick. Yeah, who was the guy that was saying that you're gonna take there? We just gonna take the lows right away. Please find that guy. Tell them that we actually retrace to the FBG and we just take the lows now. That's the fastest I have seen a prop firm recognize a pass. How many max allocation for EA futures? 5 accounts. regardless of your size, just 5 accounts. You can have 5 100K, 5 150K, 5 50K, 5 25K, 5 accounts.
What's today's date? The 27th?
I think so, yep. All right. W's in the chat if you took that trade. Just W.
Nice, Angel.
Because I shared everything here. All I waited, what I was watching, what I was looking at, all I was looking at to this. I waited for the M15 to top. I told you guys, I didn't trust this high. So we had to manipulate that high and then create that short. It was just beautiful. Look at this. My God. This is a 2-hour trade. Risking 50 points, taking 200 points out of it. 2.9.
Zoa, I wouldn't say that we went in different directions. We both had a short bias, but there's money to be made on both sides of the market. So I took one contract long back up to the New York VWAP from the POC, and then got short at the break of the low day VWAP. And then he got into the short based on his bias. So money to be made always, guys. The market just doesn't go in one direction. It goes up, it goes down.
I mean, you just crushed it today. There's no way you took the longs towards that retracement, towards the gap, and you understood that was the place that we can retrace back. And then you
look at how
out, and then you short. This is crazy.
This is me slinging the accounts right here. Bad days, bad days. But yeah, so now we get to start over. Sad.
He's like Gordon Ramsay. Let me see that. Congratulations, Abby.
Is he chefing?
Congratulations.
Wow. Okay, where are we going?
Big W's. Big W's for Abby.
So we're gonna take the
advice. Okay, we're just dropping. We're hardly dropping now.
That's the point. These are a point right here. All right, cool. So that would be my next target then. If we pull back into this imbalance, or even higher, but probably around here, and then want to come back down here, we have these lows and these lows. That would probably be my next trade. Maybe I'll try to pass the account in one go. One good solid trade, high contracts, and just make 6 bands real quick. The other
girls
one,
can't trade. Abby, show him how to trade. This guy saying that girls can't trade. I have facts actually that girls can trade even better than the boys. Because
I mean,
they
do we
see
that? Can we see that right there? My government
girls
name on
can
there?
trade. Yeah, please. Clip it. Clip him over the. Clip it over him. Guys, do not hesitate to hit the like button right there. If you want to see a giveaway today, we need to reach 50 likes. If you want a free account, 50 likes. Otherwise, we're not giving away anything, baby.
Yeah, so Bashida's right on this. Statistic is if a woman can get to the point of becoming a good trader, they're usually better traders than men because they manage their emotions better. Go figure. We have a lot 100%. of emotions as women. You know, we get to wear them on our sleeve. Men don't really get to do that. So you guys don't really have the, you know, same type of regulation that we do. All right. Where's Erkan at? It's Erkan. Erkan, let's go. Get in here. Come say hi. We also just tapped into that gap and we're rejecting it.
Yeah.
What?
Are Angel and E8 Andrew and the same X person? No. Andrew and Angel are two different persons. I have my own X account. Actually, if you look up for E8 Angel on X, you'll find me. And then if you have for E8 Andrew, you'll find Andrew. What do you mean the same person, though? There's no way you did that question. Advice for a profitable trade. Fixed rules to the follow no matter what. Take one micro, one trade a day for 30 days. You'll find yourself in the charts.
Yeah, definitely try trading with one micro. If you're struggling in any way with trading, a lot of it is just the emotion of watching the P&L. I feel like Erkan was saying earlier, don't watch the P&L, but as a new trader, that's all you can watch. So if you're going to watch the P&L, then trade with like one micro. It takes all of the emotion out of trading, really helps you understand your strategy in the process, and lets you accept the losses. So you start focusing on just taking the trade, not taking the trade and then freaking out because you're losing the trade. Let's see. My handle, guys, all of our handles, including the guest information, is going to be down in the description below the video. Discords, Instagram, YouTube, all of that jazz. Zoa said, what do you think about set and forget or tape reading the price, Angel?
Well, I'm not quite sure about set and forget, but tape reading the chart is always useful. I do it myself when I'm not trading. Like if I'm done for the day, if I already have a base head, I'm just gonna tape read to understand what I can do and what I can improve, right? If you look at this, I was able to understand where to wait and how to wait to take this trade. I've done this just learning, tape reading, watching the charts for so many hours, so many days. So that's something that you're just gonna learn with a screen time. But yeah, it's absolutely useful. I'll do it. Just do it. Pullback entry today. Buy? No, I wouldn't take a single long today. Not yet. I mean, tomorrow it could be, but today there's no way you're gonna look for longs after 9:30 just dump 250 points right after. Like, don't wait. We might now can build some price action here, and if tomorrow we have a new leg, you'll see if we're gonna take long. But other than that, you just need to wait until you have more price action. Whole day is gonna range then. Yeah, I think we're gonna range, and I'm gonna tell you why, guys, real quick. Let me just look at MNQ because I don't have anything there. If you look at this daily time frame, we're creating a new gap here. Let me take this out. Right? We're creating a new gap on the daily time frame. So it's fair to say that this daily candle is going to be a doji, which means it's going to be a range day for just for tomorrow to open, trading and tapping into that gap for the price to continue higher. So yeah. Abby, when next trade? Well, we need to see a setup to take a trade. Trading, I
mean. Yeah, like said, it needs to come up and fill one of these imbalances. Either let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Do you ever trade like imbalances?
Me?
Like, do
Are
you
you
use
asking me?
entries or anything? Yeah.
Imbalances like FBGs, like gaps. Is that
Yeah,
what you
yeah.
mean? Well, yeah. This trade was this imbalance right here in this gap on the
Gotcha.
other one.
So
So
do you ever
yeah.
trade like between them? If there's two, that if it closes above, that you take a trade from this one to this one?
I've done that before. I haven't seen like many setups like that, but I've done that before. Yeah, that's actually solid when you're able to understand that we're going from one imbalance to another one in market structure. That's solid.
Like here,
Guys,
I'll show you what I'm talking about. If this candle closes above here, then like would you trade from there to there? Because you know already if it's closed there, it's going up to the next one.
100%. Now I understand what you mean. That we're gonna feel now that imbalance.
Yeah.
I wouldn't because that's different from the way I trade. But the logic is simple. It's of course because we should get there for some reason, to rebalance the price. But yeah. CISD, no, I don't think it's a good idea to go along here, guys. I think we're gonna chop for the rest of the day. Yeah, too much ADR now. Yeah. We're actually really. I mean, London and Asia already provided 300 points, and the Open already gave 300 points. So what are you looking at so far? Right now, at this point, there's nothing else to do. If you didn't take anything, like if you didn't take the short at the Open, if you didn't take the longs in Asia, London, or if you didn't take this short, you're just looking for a barcode to trade. So we're vibing here because Avi passed it, right? I hate take profit. Honestly, I haven't been trading on the PA's New Year because I've been thinking better. But we had 2 days to straight solid price action, and I thought, well, my boy Erkan is here though. Let's go. Yo, what's up, Erkan?
What's up, guys?
Your boy, or this is your boy?
I could be both your boys. It's all good.
Oh,
let's go.
What's up?
What's goody?
That's what's up.
Chilling. You guys. Oh, that's a banger trade right there. Whose chart is that?
That's his.
Nice. Well done, man.
Thank you. I'm learning. Seems like I'm learning after all.
You know, a little bit every day, right?
Oh, sick.
Every day is a learning opportunity.
So your mic was giving some feedback, and I went into the settings. Yeah, it's fine now.
Oh,
it's fine.
Okay.
Into the settings, and I like turned off the echo and the background noise, and it's working great now.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, sometimes my mic is weird.
You don't have to talk into it. You can just talk. The volume's
Okay,
good.
cool.
Do you ever look at for CRT? Yes, actually, this trade, and if you go back on the stream, you will see that this is a CRT. Just because of the way the candle, this is an M15 candle, we liquidated this high and we closed it back into this range. So it was fair to say that we were now aiming for the low of that candle range. So that was candle range theory. And when we close inside of this range, we were tapping into this gap on the M15. So that's why that low was the target. Just go back on the stream.
Erkan, bullish or bearish?
Yeah. Oh gosh, honestly, it's pretty volatile today. You know, like we had a strong drop. I'm looking for a little bit more of a retrace, like a 50% of this drop, and then taking it down.
Yeah.
To 50% of the run up. Hopefully, we get that today, but I don't know. It's been pretty bearish for Nasdaq.
Yeah, New York's here. We have another level below. 819. So if we reject New York, I'm going to take another short. But I'm going to eval now because I just passed an account. So I'm going to take it with size and try to pass the second account.
Nice.
Yeah. Share your screen.
Oh, mine?
Yeah.
For sure. Give me 1 second. Let me just show you my trade here. You guys see that little clip from me and Austin's podcast?
No. What is it?
Oh yeah.
Well, solid.
Angel saw it. Yeah, it's coming out Saturday, Abby. So
nice.
Yeah,
that's fun.
Solid stuff, my boy Erkan.
So I took the short right at the open. I saw the volume coming in. My draw liquidity was midnight open.
Mm-hmm.
So I just took it down and quick scalp. It kind of just did what it had to do. I saw strong sellers coming in, so I was like, this is a high probability that midnight was going to be engaged. So I just went ahead and took it. So that was my trade for the day. I'm done with that. So I'm just waiting for a pullback. So like I was saying earlier, like 50% would be right around midnight again, and then taking it down like this. Something like this, to 50%. See this? Yeah, that would be perfect right there. So yeah, that's my trade idea. 50% to 50%.
Nice. So yeah, you actually took it. You actually took something out of that open movement.
Yeah,
I was crazy.
Yeah.
I was absolutely mad.
I've trained myself to kind of use the open volume to see, clear draws of liquidity, like the midnight open, and also this right here was pretty clear. This imbalance, if you were to say, it's kind of like low resistance liquidity right here. This run up, so I just saw that as clear low resistance liquidity. So I just was confident to take it down.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Nice. Yeah, I saw the midnight, and I immediately thought of you. I was like, he's got to be making so much money on this.
Abby said, like, you were on that trade for some reason. Abby said, Erkan must be holding profits here, and I was like, why?
So she knows.
Seems like it.
Right. Yeah. I wish it didn't just sell off at the open, because that would have been a great day for me. I mean, it still is a great day, but could have been better. Could have really got that.
Coulda, shoulda, woulda. You just gotta live to trade another day.
You're so right.
It's like, no matter what happens, it's just like you just gotta stay in this long term. Just be like, okay, there's always gonna be another opportunity. There's always another account I could trade. If I fuck up this, if I mess up this one account, I could always go to another account. So it's just keep the ball rolling.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Friendly reminder, we all know how to short all-time highs. Seems like it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think Trump PA or Biden PA. What do you guys think?
Oh gosh.
Biden.
Yeah, I'll second that.
Yeah.
But you got to give it like some sort of credibility to the fact that once maybe it's not Biden's PA versus Trump's PA, but like the first term of presidency is always trash. That's when they're like doing big things and changing laws and making problems that are supposed to make everything better in the later terms. So I don't know if I'm all mad about it. I think maybe next year this like what year is this? 2026? Yeah, I think next year will probably be way better.
Hopefully. I mean, Supposedly the summer sessions are a little bit slower, a little more choppy, so we should maybe expect that. I mean, seeing like we're
Yeah.
at all-time highs, it's usually there's some chop that happens at all-time highs. So we'll see what happens.
Mm-hmm. With it.
I mean, you guys have been around for many all-time highs already now, huh?
Yeah. I don't mind
Well,
trading.
actually, not really. This is my second time trading all-time highs because prior to this, I was trading forex. I was trying to make something from euro, dollar, and stuff. But I think I gathered enough experience from last year all-time highs that this time it was just easy. It was just I had an understanding to what to do and what not to do. I think it just comes with screen time. And
Yeah, absolutely. How long have you been trading, Angel?
8 years.
Oh yeah, savage.
So you started when you were like 18?
Yeah.
Crazy. I mean, I guess I started when I was 18, but I wasn't every single day on the charts. I don't think it's counted as trading if you're just making trades throughout portions of your life. I'm only counting when I locked in and I'm on the charts Monday through Friday. That's all I like think about, do, breathe. So for me, it's like a year and a half, or almost.
But yeah, like
actually,
when I switch it to futures, it's like starting all over from zero. Though they're trading indices, not forex pairs. You're trading a different market. You need to learn about everything. Price action was different. I was doing a different strategy as well. But I think what you keep from all the learning experience all over the years, we'll say like, I don't know, the psychology part of trading. But yeah, I don't feel like a veteran. I feel like I'm still learning every single day.
Yeah, it feels like that for it feels like that for me too. Like every day you can learn something, and that's what I like about this. Is like you never get like a big. I mean, you kind of do get a big head, but once you do get a big head, you kind of get humbled very quickly, and you have to learn, something about yourself in that moment. So it's cool. I like it.
Yep, been there, done that.
Mm-hmm.
I always stay humble, guys. Always.
Absolutely.
Because the market can humble yourself.
That's when if you see yeah, exactly. If you see someone that's not humble online, they flexing this, that.
They're not making money.
Yeah, they don't make money from trading. They make money from.
They're literally not making money. Like.
Yeah.
I think there are a few that make money and they're just flexing and they're not humble. But I will say it's like a. Not all of them, but there are a few. I think there are a few. They're just not humble.
Like who? Who do you think? Who do you think?
Who?
I don't know. I won't mention any names. I will keep quiet on this.
Diplomatic. Oh my god. Do you guys feel like trading has taken any physical or like mental toll on your health?
It can definitely has if you could definitely stress yourself out big time.
I think I really did.
Really?
For a couple months. And Austin was telling me, when I started coaching, I was doing one-on-one with Austin for like 2 weeks. And he kept telling me like, get a job, like work on the side, do this. And I was like, no, like that's not the way that I want to do it, because I always do well when I put myself under pressure. And everything that I've ever done, I just feel like the more pressure, the faster I got things done, the faster I learned them. And all of that was true with trading, except it was an unmatched amount of stress compared to anything that I've ever done in my life. Like opening a restaurant, light work. Sales company, light work. Starting an e-com business, light work. Trading was the hardest thing I ever did. So I just feel like it put so much stress on my body. And I have all of these like issues now, like high blood pressure, like maybe not active high blood pressure, but sometimes when I'm trading, I feel like my body kind of stinging. And I think that has to do with nerves. So I've been kind of in and out of doctors. I went yesterday, I went last week. I had the ER visit 3 weeks ago. I know you like had a visit to the ER too.
Yeah, yeah.
Or?
No, it wasn't training related. It was just like health related, I think.
Yeah.
You know, if you find, I don't think trading itself, you know, gives you that kind of thing. It's more of like your reaction towards your, you know, your patterns or your, you know, emotional, you know, turmoil that's kind of
like
bringing
it's
you to that point.
And if you're not managing it, it can.
Yeah, you got to manage it. Yeah, I'm wondering how do you guys in the chat? What do you guys do to kind of like chill yourself out or take your mind off things, or just regulate yourself? Very true. Yes.
I've been meditating.
Meditating, yeah.
What?
One
trigger point
is once a week or twice a week, depending on how I feel.
Nice. Trigger point therapy, you said, Angel?
Erkan, you're like MMA fighter Dustin Poirier, man. Why?
Okay, why? It's because of the guns.
Yeah.
Is it because of the guns?
I think one trigger point is when you start thinking things that you will do once you get a payout. I'm gonna pay this. I'm gonna do this with the payout, and I'm gonna start doing this because with the payout, and I'm gonna do this. You put so much pressure on it that you're not gonna make it happen.
Oh, for sure. I can totally say that is, as much as you don't want to believe that that's true, it really is. Like, the more pressure that you put on yourself, or if you need to like somebody was in the chat yesterday saying they needed to make a payout so they could pay their mortgage. This is my last chance to make a payout so I can pay my mortgage. I'm like, that's the worst thing that you could possibly do in trading. You can't give yourself an ultimatum, which is what I was doing for months. And I think that's what put such of a stress on myself is I just was like, this is the only way that I'm going to make money. This is how I choose to make money. I'm not going to do anything outside of that.
Yeah, that definitely will make you, it definitely gives you a lot of pressure for sure. You know, I don't recommend that. I have a job, you know, I work for my brother's restaurant. And it's tough for me to have a normal job. Like, I can't work for other people. I get it, Abby. Like, you had your own business at one point, so like in your mind is like, I don't want to get no job.
Yeah,
I get it.
Yeah,
but if you could find things like doing things like this, like you're doing this thing for EA, it's really great.
Exactly. Yeah, that was the goal. I was like, well, I think a lot of people miss like what do you want to do in life, and how do you get yourself closer to getting paid to do what you want to do? Instead, people go get jobs in random places and random industries. And for me, I was like, well, I want to trade. That's all I want to do. So how can I make extra money trading while still trading? So
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
I think you guys are both on that kind of thing, huh, Angel?
Tell you what?
Are you kind of on that too? Do you have like a regular job?
I mean, I work at EA doing a couple things. Okay. So that puts my mindset. Yeah, I'm kind of like that community guy from EA, and I'm also Spanish. So it's kind of like had to reach to like Spanish people on it. But yeah, I will say that put my mindset out of the pressure of trying to make trading work, right? So it sounds super cliche, but then you put that focus on you that you just, when you trade, you just focus on trade well instead of making money. You just focus on trade well instead of getting a payout, instead of getting to pass. So that just put my win rate really, really high on it. And then when I started the social media thing, I thought it was going to be like a lot of pressure because I have to show, to show what I'm doing, to show what I'm failing, and all that thing. And of course, it comes with the type of person that you are, because I'm really like a low key person, Yeah. I'm really happy with a farm, with a family, the dogs, and that's the type of richness that I look for, right? So,
love it.
But yeah,
Yeah, I'm like that too, definitely. But I haven't manifested that yet. I still have yet to have a wife and kids and all that stuff. So I'm 35, so I'm definitely need to be on on the ball with that.
Question in the chat: do you guys trade only NQ? I personally trade NQ now, but I would say that I'm versed in ES as well. I think that it's better to kind of have one that you specify or you specialize in. Specify. Great. What about you guys?
Yeah, I do both. Just depends on whichever one I'm like. I've spent a year on both of them, just like exclusively. So I've been able to like see, okay, which one's looking better today, which one's like looks like it's gonna behave today. So lately it's been NASDAQ. It's just been flowing a little bit better for me.
Right. Well, I was gonna take this short, but
yeah, that one looks good. But I'm not gonna take it because I'm done. That sure looks good.
Aggressively.
ES or MNQ? I mean, I only use ES just to see if we have some sort of divergence in price, like cracking correlation. But I don't really trade ES because I think it's like slower, and I really like to know if I'm gonna be stopped out or it's gonna be take profit for today real quick. So if you're trading NQ, in 20 minutes you will know if you're wrong or you're right. 20 minutes trading during the AM session.
Facts.
That's all you need. 20 minutes.
What, on NQ or ES?
In NQ, but yes, it takes a little bit longer to play or to whatever the price is doing. It's just slower. I don't know. It feels just slower. It's like when you're trading gold and trading silver, kind of thing.
For sure. ES is definitely slower.
Silver is like fat gold. So ES is like fat NQ. Someone was asking in the chat.
Trading, what's the ICT Neo says is trading doesn't really much physical work. I think mostly psychological, but it gets to a point that it messes with your psychology so well that the result is seen physically on you. Yeah, I can understand what you're saying there. Definitely messes with your psychology and can affect your physical well-being.
Yeah.
That's when you have to like just kind of find other things to do with your time. Find a new hobby, go to exercise, it's like fill your mind up with other things and just put trading in its little category where it needs to be and not let it consume you.
Right. Do you fly or did you do like a test flight or something? Do you have your pilot's license?
Oh yeah, I was going for it, but no, I didn't follow through with it. It was pretty cool though. I did a little test flight thing. You saw that?
Well, that's wonderful.
I started mine.
Yeah.
I started mine, then I went out of the country for 2 months, then I moved when I got back. So the place that I was going is hours away from me now. So I just never really got back to it, but it is on my bucket list. It's something I plan on doing.
Heck yeah, I could see that for you, Abby.
Yeah, just for funsies.
Yeah.
We get super bright and we buy a plane and just fly around.
I'm there with you.
I hate airports.
You do?
Yeah.
I like airports for some reason. I don't know why.
I
like
just
the people
feel like
watch.
I can't breathe.
Yeah, they're probably pumping all kinds of crap in there.
Well, I just feel like, did you see that story? There was like recently somebody was in the Denver airport and they had like some kind of crazy thing that kills off populations, maybe Ebola or something. I was like, Hanta, Ebola, like, no, thank you.
Oh my God.
Airports first.
Ebola?
Yeah, there's a couple, hantavirus broke out in different places, and then Ebola also, there was a couple cases.
Sheesh.
All within the past, like, month.
What's the best copier for you guys? I just like Tradeovate copier is the best.
What's the other one? Like Traders Post or something?
Yeah, Traders Post. I use Traders Post for a bot actually, and that's
So Traders Post, I've heard from one of the other guys, Nick J. He's tried them all, and apparently that one's the best. Has the least slippage.
Nice, yeah, it's been good.
Oh yeah. Probably not.
Bushido. I was at the Denver airport not too long ago. It's crazy.
Right.
What's up, Sakuna? What's up, Sakuna?
Sakuna. You know Sakuna, right?
Yeah, from PFM.
Yeah. I've been borrowing him.
You've been borrowing him.
Created my Discord, did my giveaway channel, brought him to help with E8's Discord.
Yeah,
like,
he's a beast.
Yeah, he knows what he's doing. If anybody needs a Discord created, that's your guy.
If anyone wants to share their trade in the chat, go ahead and just like do a trading view markup and then send it in the chat. I'm curious what you guys were in or if you guys traded today.
Yeah, drop them in the chat.
Yes, hold it.
To do that, you just do like a...
Yeah, so it's the camera icon at the top right.
Mm-hmm.
And then it just says copy link, and then you can just send that link in the chat.
Yep.
So what's good? Is E8 hiring or what?
Great question. You can have my
No, we're not. I'm sorry, but we're not hiring.
Oh, come on, man. No.
Are you not? You're the guy, right?
Yeah, I'm the guy, but we're not.
You're the guy?
I'm sorry.
All right.
We're full right now.
No worries.
No, I'll let you know, guys, if we're hiring again.
See, Erkan, you gotta start making trading content so people find you.
Yeah, well, I got the podcast coming out, so maybe that'll launch me up.
Oh,
so.
True.
Yeah, I gotta start getting on that.
Yeah, I did crop for Matt.
Should I make it like my own? Should I make like a separate account for it?
Nah, just leave your account.
Yeah.
Austin and I were talking about that too. He was like saying that I should post online, and I'm also kind of a homebody. I don't really like to post stuff online. I'm very selective about posting. Like I'll just post whatever things if I'm doing something fun or, you know, the highlights of life. But when it comes to actually posting content about, I think the hardest hurdle was posting content about money that I was making. Like that just felt weird. But yeah, Austin was like, you gotta post, you gotta like go online and post. And when I think I made one post, one trading post, and that was it. And just off of that, like, you know, there's so many people that have reached out to me for other things, other projects, other interview things. And I mean, there's a lot of power in social media for sure, but it is kind of hard to get over that hurdle, not knowing what to post, not feeling comfortable posting. Like, you know, this is absolutely terrible. I don't even
at this point
on this, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's looking a little suspect.
Yeah, I think we're just like in this weird spot right now.
Okay.
Let's see what's ES. ES still has these equal lows here. Like it looks like it wants to take it out. You know, these equal, like from the
if you're not sharing your screen, I can't present you, so I don't know.
From the gap, the ones that barely touched the gap and just left them, yeah, I can see them.
Yeah, you saw that?
Yeah, we're gonna get them 100%. Hopefully during Asia, so
right?
I can just take a nice short through there.
Yeah, so
let's just chop for the rest of the day. Sorry guys.
Yeah, during
let's
Asia,
just chop here. Yeah, so in Asia we're just gonna open here and then just a straight down. It's gonna be easy short if we take the lows right here.
All right, I'm with you on that, brother.
It's gonna be super easy if we do that. Yeah, but we need to chop here for the rest of the day.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys are waiting for another trade on the chat, I'm sorry, but now we're waiting for this to chop to leave the lows for Asia. Maybe not. Maybe it's not gonna happen. I think it might just happen during the PM session. We're super close to it. Under just 11 points for ES and whatever this is doing.
Yeah, it's tough to short low day, area.
Somebody in the chat was asking if the high of the week is already set, and I think Angel said yesterday he's expecting it to go up to 33,000 this week, but
no, I don't think we're gonna get to 33,000 anymore because of this dump.
Yeah, I think the structure is switching.
It's too late, but this is the 4 hour. Okay, I didn't see this before. There's a 4 hour gap. So if ES take the lows, we're gonna bring an SMT, and there will be an SMT with this 4 hour. Okay, this is nice. All right, never mind, guys. Seems like we're switching bias.
You see an SMT there?
We need to take out the lows first. If ES take the lows, we're gonna have an SMT on a 4 hour gap for NQ, so that can bring the price higher again. I like that. I really like that. You see this 4 hour gap?
This one here.
ES taking this low. Yeah. ES taking this low, it's gonna print this SMT. If that happens, Asia is gonna print higher. And I like that. I like that. I really like that. For the guy that was asking for gold, this is gonna keep going lower. Like, look at this momentum right here. I don't really trade gold, but looks like we're gonna take this low right here and this one.
Question in the chat: do you guys usually aim for a target for the week? I personally don't. I'm like a daily intraday trader, so everything that I'm doing, I'm just watching price action for the day. Obviously, I look at the whole overview of everything to get an understanding of what's going on. But
I mean, it's hard to look for a target for the week unless you have like a fear of losing. But if you're I don't know, like up 5%, you can either, if you're tired or you have something that you can just call it a week. But if you're trading and then you see in the session your setup presented itself, why wouldn't you gonna take it? Like,
I mean, this level right here is a target for the week. If you want to get technical, like, I do think that this gap gets filled, but when that happens, doesn't really matter to me. Like, I'm more so watching price action every day.
Yeah, exactly. Same. I'm not really looking for targets with that. I'm just looking to trade well and consistently every day, and that's what I've been focused on.
Erkan, do you invest outside of futures stocks? Like, do you do any real estate or business stuff?
No, not yet. I'd like to.
I think real estate is definitely like in the book for me.
Yeah. Where were you thinking?
Somewhere with minimal taxing or cheap. My friend's getting into this like turnkey thing where they basically buy a crappy property, fill it with a tenant, like renovate it, fill it with a tenant, and then like sell the whole thing with a tenant in it. I don't know. A lot of options.
There's so many creative ways to work real estate, right? I want to kind of do the whole Airbnb thing.
Yeah, I think we talked about that. I used to do that.
Yeah. You did, huh?
I used to do that when I was like 20, before they passed all these really aggressive taxing on Airbnb in California. Questions in the chat. So what did you guys start trading when you first started as a brand new trader? What made you get into futures? This is my girl Stephanie over here, my Ulta Beauty girl. So I personally started with ES because that's what my mentor traded on. And then when I started trading other assets, just because as a new trader, I was like, well, what's wrong with this one? Why can't I trade this? I ended up liking the price action of NQ a lot better. I'm a scalper. I like quick trades. I like to not sit and draw down for long periods of time. So I just like either it hits my take profit or it hits my stop loss, like that. So NQ for me. And then what made me get into futures was that's what was introduced to me. But I actually started with stocks first, options second, futures actively, and now back to like stocks, options, and futures. What about you guys for that?
I was trading GBP JPY. That was the first thing I ever traded with $100 account. And I was trading London session. I can remember my first trade. It just doubled the count to 200. So I just made 100% on the first trade, trading in London. So I was pretty much waking up at 3 a.m. to trade because I didn't know what was going to work for me. And the second day, I blew the account. So it didn't work. Just so you know, guys.
Beautiful.
But yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, that's
like 100 to 100K overnight.
Gosh, similar story here, Angel. That's how I started with the forex and funding personal accounts, blowing them within the same day, within the same week, and then that's how I learned. But I did get
it was just different.
I did flip a few accounts, so that was pretty cool. Back in the forex.
Different times. You couldn't actually get $50 to pay for a challenge somewhere back in that time. So it was just it was just different.
My first like big check in trading was more of a swing trade, and it was during COVID when obviously everything was going up, but there was this one company. I lived on Hollywood Boulevard, and I would see a line wrapped around the door of this company called Funko. And I was like, everything in the world is shut down right now, but there's a line wrapped around the block at Funko. I'm going to invest in the stock. So I did, and I like made so much money on it. And I was like, okay, but I could have held it longer. I think I also invested in Peloton because the concept of people can't go to gyms anymore. So they're going to start working out at home. So I invested in Peloton and I invested in that Funko company, made a couple grand and felt like I was so cool. And then that was just purely off the fact that everything was growing during that time. Yeah, I definitely give most of that back too.
Yeah, it was definitely a great time to invest.
Oh yeah, I mean, to have that insight is pretty cool too. Like being able to see what's the trend right now, or what's going on, geopolitically or whatever, and being like, okay, I'm gonna capitalize on that.
Yeah, that was probably my first experience knowing that something geopolitical could translate to stocks.
So,
I'm waiting for the next shutdown so that we can really
Abby is a smart cookie. You're right, SM5. She's a smart cookie.
Yeah, I saw that. Facts.
Yeah, dude. The ROI with prop firms is so much better than having a personal account with small.
You can spend less money. Yeah, you can spend less money to make trading work. I'm 100% sure about it.
Yeah. If you're in your first year, kind of just starting out, definitely prop firms is a great avenue. I wish I had that when I was starting out.
Dang. I bought this meme coin, this crypto meme coin.
Troll.
Yeah, I bought it at 4 cents. It went up to like 13 or 14. I sold half of it. So I got a little bit more than my original investment out of it. And now it's gone down to 7 cents. I sold it literally yesterday or the day before.
Profit is profit.
Profit is profit, yeah. I mean, either way, I can't lose now. It's not going to go down to zero. We have that, what's it called? The
limit? Did you guys fill? You had a limit, right?
Oh, no, I got rid of that. That looked really suspect. No, I'm just saying we had a tournament thing going on, and I think I have an open position that I forgot about. And it was a short.
Running in profit?
I don't know. How do you log in?
You just need to get on your dashboard, click on the platform link. You can log in with your email.
Open terminal.
So
terminal?
This is not gonna be low today. This is gonna look at this. This is solid here. This is nice.
Oh, there's a tournament in E8? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In. How long's left on it?
Like a week. We have like a week left. I got out of the tournament with 11% in profit. 11, and I blew the daily drawdown. Oh my god, you're running that trade?
I got trade so long ago. Where does it show you when I got into this trade?
I think you need to go to a higher time frame. You have to go to a higher time frame.
Okay, so I got into this trade like 10 days ago.
Oh my god.
Casually sitting there. Yeah.
Oh, Bitcoin.
I think you're gonna win.
Yeah. I'd like to see this go down a lot further, but I took this account from, so it starts off at 100K. This is the E8's tournament account, right? And I was up like $200, nothing crazy. I didn't really understand that, you can move this thing around for different amounts of leverage. So I place a trade, I make a couple $100. I see people talking about how they're up like $1,000. And I'm like, well, let me go trade something else because Bitcoin obviously doesn't move that quick. So I'm going to go trade silver. I get into silver. The spread is insane. I lose immediately. I enter the trade and I'm down like $750. And I'm like, what is this? So I close it. And then I try to get another entry. It goes against me. And I'm like, man, I'm down like $4,000 or $5,000 at this point. So I dug myself out of the $4,000 or $5,000 loss. And now it's like up $2,000. There are people who have like on the leaderboard, were they up like $100,000 or something? I'm like, how did you do that?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know how is that even possible. I can show you mine if you look at my screen for a second. I traded like 2 weeks, and I got out with this. And I think I was risking heavy, like 40% per trade kind of thing. I don't really know how the guys just made it to that.
Thank you, everybody in the chat, by the way.
160% is crazy.
Yeah. Silver, I don't know. Not only is it super volatile, but I don't understand the whole spread thing. Like, this is considered Forex, right? Or not Bitcoin, but
that's Forex.
So silver, like, I'm like, I like to just enter and know that my number is my number, my entry is my entry. Like, that's it, So
yeah, day trading BTC that's very difficult.
Yeah, I tried a couple times. It can be so slow that you can just die while you're trading.
Yeah, it's hard to stay in a day trade for Bitcoin just because of the price action. It can just be, obviously on a zoomed out chart
messy. Super messy.
Yeah. Yeah, like we broke the structure in here. Look at all these. This was me right here getting back that 4K. So good.
Ooh. Savage.
Yeah, we were definitely doing it. Little scalps. But what's interesting is like these are, let me go to the daily chart, because a lot of these were within the same day. So I was day trading Bitcoin. Like here, I took 3 trades. There, I took 2. I entered, exit, entered. Yeah.
That's fire.
But yeah, we broke the structure. So technically, we are looking at coming down in these areas. Let me see where we would go. I wonder if there's arrows where I took the silver trade.
I used to trade silver like for Asia session. It was pretty clean.
Yeah.
hmm
Okay. So
Like you guys know about accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right?
Yeah, yeah. I really went in on that. Like when I
You did.
wasn't profitable yet, I just thought like I gotta find another way.
We have so many different names for that right now. We have Q3, we have Power of 3, we have AM. Everyone is just using different names.
Yeah, I heard it was it's PO3, Power 3.
Mm-hmm. Whatever it is, it works.
It works. Yeah, I love it.
Why were you asking? Like, do you do it?
Oh, for silver?
Yeah.
I used to. Yeah, I used to trade like Asia session with silver, but not so much anymore.
Are we doing another duck race? Well, I will give a free code for a 25K if we make it to.
I can do a duck race, guys. We don't give codes out. Like, how are you gonna give a code out to somebody on stream? It doesn't even make sense. We can do it. I'm gonna actually close this, I feel like, because this isn't very convincing. Like, where is it gonna go? There's no anything to fill below. It looks like that's just that's the thing about, like, I say that I probably would close this and get long and look for this area.
Honestly, I think you're good. I think it's still good.
I mean, it could go down, yeah, of course, a little bit more, but I don't see any imbalances down here. There's no, like, I wouldn't call this equal lows or anything. When you look at the overall structure, we're still in a bullish structure on a higher time frame. I just feel like if I close this, because this structure right here is like, we got this sell-off here, came back down, we're showing support, we're going back up, there's imbalances up here. So I got this little tail end. I'm looking at a daily chart. Got this little tail end of a move. We'll probably end up bouncing that and going back up at some point.
I think you're good until like 71,650. That's what I see.
71,650. Like these lows down here.
Oh, this is on the futures chart. This is a different chart from what you're seeing, so the price will be different. What do you guys think? What do you guys think in the chat? One's in the chat if you think she should. If you think she should close it. Two, if you think she should.
Guys, for the lore, one's in the chat if you think I should close this. And a $2,000 profit. That's funny.
What's the profit target on the account?
Somebody said hodl. I would hodl, but I'm short. I'm not long. What's the profit target?
Yeah.
There's no target. You have to make as much as you can.
Oh,
for the... Sukuna says, hold it.
Already. I already told
Check
you.
the leaderboard, Abby. Who's in the first place?
I don't know how to do that.
It's on the left. If you scroll down, yeah, it should be the
leader. LID. But I heard that some of these people are like out. Like these people right here aren't gonna win because they like blew their account or something.
Yeah, I thought the same, but I think the first place actually is the first place. I don't know, but he's getting 5K cash. So you can see the prices
I
there.
feel like if they blew their account, they shouldn't.
Yeah, they shouldn't. 5K cash is actually a great price for first place.
Like you should be in first place, but your account should still be active because then you won. Like if you full ported your account and so you made the highest balance, but you blew your account, how does that make sense? You know what I mean? Give us a chance. Down here, I'm down here. Hold on. I'm probably number like
445.
I'm probably like 440. I'm gonna take a guess here. What do we think, chat? I like 420. I'm gonna say I'm number 420.
420. That's too funny.
Oh no! Wow, I'm actually not that far. I could do it. What would I be like? What was my profit? I think I'm up like
You have
4.
2K in profit?
No, I think I'm up like 3 or 4. Okay. Guys, I'm not doing that bad. I think I'm gonna close it. And go long. Oh no.
Yeah. What do you guys think about the shorts right now on NASDAQ?
Looks good.
It's kind of like, you got these relative equal lows there to break the low day. And then we've been kind of doing this little, let's see where we are at VWAP here.
It might be a slow burner, but looks good. You look at this, chat. I'm out of the competition for sure. I'm terminated because I breached the daily drawdown. And I was in a good spot, but it's hard to compete with 100% profit. Like, it's just hard. So I made it.
But she does that
to 87.
Usernames, so you do. Feel that.
Yeah, I don't do well in competitions. I just, comparison and all that stuff. It's just tough.
I actually won like 2 competitions from a broker. It's like a U.S. broker, and it was Forex. So I don't even sure how I won because I did it twice. So it was just longing like euro dollar when it was trending, because I think it's the best way to win a competition is when you get an asset that is actually trending and you just go full bore whenever you see a retracement and you keep adding into your position, and then all of a sudden you'll have like a huge profit. So everyone wants to.
Give me like 3 minutes. I'll do a duck race at the end of stream. So I want to talk about this real quick. We are leaving these lows, which means there's a weak level of support, and we still have this right here to tap into. So say it can come up just a little bit further, maybe this area. I might take it short, but I also might risk the account with it because I can and I should. So I have 2 good accounts. What are you guys thinking on the rest of the day? Like, any ideas for trades?
Yeah, I think I'm with you on that one.
You like that? We should take that one together. Full port short.
Yeah. Yes. Look, AS has broken its low of day.
Love it. I want to give my duck to form from the what? What does that mean?
Oh. Hey, he says he wants to get his duck in shape like me.
Oh, and then he might actually win. What is this black thing?
Let's go.
Erkan, what is the little thingy right here?
What? Oh, this? Oh, this is I did the that
patch
thing that. No, the that little blood test thing that's really viral. This thing.
Rhythm. Okay.
Yeah, I did that this morning, so I'm gonna get my blood work today.
Oh, that's fun. I think I should do that too, but I've literally just got my blood drawn 2 weeks ago at the doctor, and then I have another one like to do my ANA panel for whatever. So I'm just gonna ask them to do like a full workup, and it just goes through my insurance. So
cool. Yeah, I think it's good to know your biomarkers and your stats in just like in trading, right? You gotta like know where you're at with your health too.
Right. Okay. Well, we got about a minute left on stream. We can extend that. Let's do a duck race. Okay. It's gonna take me like a minute to figure out how to do this, so stand by. Oh wow, dang, I really forgot too.
Duck race.
Okay. First things first, guys, go join our Discord. The link is below in the description. I'm also dropping it in the chat. Go verify yourself, and then I'm going to try to figure out how to do this. And stand by. While you guys are joining and verifying yourself, I'm going to get the deets on this. it's a process. It is definitely a process. We should do a couple giveaways. Let's do like 3. We'll do first place, last place, and second place.
Cool.
And Erkan place. You can, you can get one too. Last minute addition to the stream. Saving the space. All right. How do I do this? All right, guys. Let me know in the chat if you guys need more time. I need more time. I don't know how to do this. Okay, so reaction roll. Reaction roll. Wow, yeah, this is like really hectic.
If you forgot, you can check on the Google chat. You'll see
the Google chat?
Yeah.
It's not in the Google chat. Okay,
huh?
I have it.
There's no way.
Guys, I'm so organized. Okay, right click. This is so crazy. Ah. Is it the promotions one? Challenge accounts. I don't know. It's live, right? The 8 payouts.
Yeah, is it? This is
Is
like
it live?
you can do it on trading floor, I think. Right?
I don't know. I don't think so. Wait, I'm gonna try it. Okay. Reaction roll. Oh, okay. Reaction roll ad. Message ID. Let's call it Erkan. That's what we're gonna call it. Emoji. We'll give you a little championship thing. Roles. Is it in the promotion chat? Yeah, right? I don't know. We gonna figure it out. Something's gonna happen. Okay, let's try this. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, if I'm gonna get in trouble, like if it's in the wrong chat. Okay, I'm in the promotions group, guys. Go to the promotion group and let's see if this oh no. I can't do this right now. Why is this so difficult? All right, stand by. We're gonna figure this out. So, no, I'm smart. I got this. Here's a trophy. No. Yep. No. SOS. Live stage. The level of brain cells that this is taking right now. All right, I'm gonna go to the general chat. I'm gonna put a little trophy. I need to copy the ID of this. How do I do it? Copy message ID. I got it. All right, we're golden. Reaction. Add message ID. My guy, let's go. All right, cool. I think I did it. Roll, promotion. Other roll, channels, promotion. All right, let's see if that worked. Cannot find the message. All right, so we're gonna do this a different way. All right, so go to my Discord. I'll run it through my Discord this time. We'll still get these giveaways going. Go into the Discord, verify yourself, and then we'll run a duck race. We're gonna do first place, second place, and last place. And Erkan.
Let's go.
Yeah, got me hooked up. All right, guys. Again, go in and.
Yeah, I didn't see a giveaway section on the E8. So, is there one?
I think it's the promotions one, but there's a different way of doing it, and it's kind of really complicated. There's something.
Sukuna, where are you?
Thingy-mabodge. Well, that's the thing. We were gonna set it up the same way that I like know how to do it, but this one was relatively easy. It's just for some reason it's not working. Like right click on the message, reaction ID, stat roll, stats roll. Oh wait. Okay, it's not worth it. Creation code, Erkan. Okay, and then. All right, once you guys are in the Discord, did I drop the link? Yes, I did. All right, in the Discord, verify yourself. You're gonna go into the giveaway channel. And
what do we say about these shorts?
Do what?
What did we say about these shorts? That was crazy. We were calling it out.
Yep.
It out in chat.
I expected it to go higher. I feel like we're just gonna consolidate this area though.
Mm-hmm.
I think it needs more. Well, energy. Code already exists. Okay. And then portal. Erkan. All right, guys. To enter the giveaway, go to the giveaway section in my Discord, and type in the word Erkan. I'm gonna give you guys like 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Woo-hoo!
3
I'm gonna
minutes.
bless you guys.
3 minutes. Oh yes. Let's go. I promise I'll figure it out. We'll get there. Erkan, feel free to,
Oh yeah, I already did.
Imagine you win. We'd have to run the whole thing over again.
Run it again, no problem.
All right, guys, 3 more minutes to enter that giveaway. Discord link. I already dropped it, but I'll drop it again. Again, you're gonna go into the Discord link and you're going to verify yourself in the verify section. Just tap that little green thing, check mark. And then once you do that, go into the giveaway section and click the purple button, type Erkan. You'll be entered. You only have to enter once. You do not need to do multiple times. It won't add your name multiple times. I feel you, bro. I feel you. Like the other way wasn't that complicated. There was just like I think if I had time and I didn't feel stressed in front of everybody, I would be able to figure it out. It's relatively easy. It's just, this is the one that I know and I've been doing for so long. So should I enter the giveaway too? I need new accounts. Oh, wow. Okay. I didn't realize my screen's up, but yeah, we're leaving again this right here.
Yeah, those equal highs.
And so we also left these. So something tells me we're just going to sit here and wee.
Yep.
Or we come down, we slightly break this, and then we're just going to reverse for the day. La 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 la. Somebody said the link's not working. Seriously? Okay, well, it's down below the video. I'll get it again. One last chance. Copy the link. Put a form here. I don't know how to do that, okay? That's beyond my knowledge. There you go. Oh, wait. Try that. Oh, no, I don't know. Okay. One of those is bound to work. Nobody else had a problem. Bugging out. All right, guys. 30 more seconds on that. 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. Did you see anything on the rest of the day, or?
For today?
Yeah. Are you done?
I got a meet. Yeah, trading wise, I'm done. I have a meeting like in an hour to maybe become a. Well, I think he's already wanting me to become a coach. You guys know the strong trader?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The strong trader.
Yeah, the strong trader. He's
my neighbor. We live 1 mile away.
Do you really?
Strong trader.
Yes, I almost moved into his building, and then I met him, and he was like, "Do not move into that building. It's like the worst." He said he was moving out and moving across the street in with his girlfriend.
Yeah.
And I was literally in process of filling out an application. He's like, "It's the worst building. Don't do it." I was like, "All right, say less. I trust you." Yeah, didn't he take like 350,000 in payouts like last year or something? That was his breakout year. That's awesome.
Yeah, I saw a video last week. He lost 40K on the same day.
Yeah.
And he made it back during the week. So that's solid. Yeah, he's a cool guy. I like him.
Really, really awesome dude.
Yeah. All right, I'm pulling these names right quick, you homies. I'm pulling the names. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Nice. Everybody has a 1 in 25 chance to win. That's what it is. That's what happens when you're new on the stream, when we do giveaways and there's like hardly any people. Hello. Okay, cool. Let me go find a duck race. Duck race. Duck race. Duck race. How long should we do, chat? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Malfunction. All right, we got 25 people. 25 people. Oh, yeah, the duck race. Sorry. I wasn't sharing my screen. Are you guys ready? 2 minutes? 2 minutes. I don't want to be on here for another 2 minutes. We're late. We'll do 1 minute. 1 minute is. Or should we do a 10-second sprint? If you're not in shape, you don't get it. Okay, guys, one more time. We are going to do first place, second place, and last place. And yes, when you win, if you win, you're just going to go right over and DM me your email. You have to create an account with E8 if you haven't already, which I assume most of you have because you're here, you're with us. So yeah, just email me, DM me that email, and we can send those over to you after stream. It should come through pretty immediately. All right, are we thinking like 10 seconds or what? No, please, not 10 seconds. No anxiety. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Yeah, 30 seconds is fair.
30 seconds. Okay, cool.
No, please, not 10 seconds.
Right. Set. Are we ready? Are we set? And go.
Let's go.
With the sound is so funny.
Oh my god.
Oh! And the ad said no. Oh, that's funny.
Look at this green one.
I like that green one.
Yeah. Oh no, here I come. Here I come.
Where are you? You really entered it?
I did. Oh no. Keenik comes in with the red suit. Let's go.
All right, so I just realized that we can't do first, last, and second because it's a duck race. Okay, race again. So we're gonna race again. We're gonna do 2 more winners. All right, Erkan, if you win, we have to do it.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, so we got Keenik. Where my pin at? Keenik, you're gonna have to DM me in the Discord. Oh, this is not a pen. Despite what they say, this is a highlighter.
I gotta come visit you and Tanner then, for sure.
Tanner and I are of that. And one more for the fans. If somebody wins again, we're just gonna run it again. No double wins. We got to give everybody a fair chance here. I won't take that experience. We'll let them have the clap.
More Nova? What is it?
More Nova. Okay, cool. All right, cool. Guys, love it. Again, go to the Discord. Drop me that email. If you don't drop me an email, I can't get it to you. I can't get it to you. Oh. All right, guys.
Good job.
That concludes our stream today. Erkan, thank you so much for coming on. You are literally the best. We had a couple done today. I passed an account. My boy won a trade. Let's go. If you want Discord links, they're down below in the description. YouTube channel, Erkan's and myself. Angel, you don't have one, do you?
No, I don't.
Yeah, just us. All right,
I should have one. Yeah.
Instagrams and X, everything is down below. Grab that channel as well. If you join our Discord, there is bound to be giveaways that are there. So yeah, that part.
Dubs in the chat.
In the chat. Good stream. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thanks for having me.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.